In Hinduism, Kali is the demon who rules the Kali Yuga or the age of darkness. Kali is a name of Kalki, the final avatar of Lord Vishnu, the Hindu preserver deity. Kali is metaphor for everything that goes against humanness. Kali Yuga is a time of conflict, materialism, and spiritual ignorance. Is characterized by the rise of adharma and the decline of dharma. Kali is the major antagonist of Hindu religion, who is described as being of great power and the origin of evil itself. His reign is described in texts such as the Puranas and Mahabharata, where it is foretold that the degradation during the Kali Yuga will eventually lead to appearance of the final avatar of Lord Vishnu, that is Kalki, who will restore dharma and bring about the end of this age, paving the way of renewal of the cosmic cycle. He has also incarnated as prominent monsters such as Ravana, and it is similar to Crony, and who can be considered as a monster devil. Despite sharing the same name, Kali is not the same entity as the goddess Kali, who is the divine being much greater than him and ultimately promotes the good. The demon Kali promotes only chaos and destruction, while abomination without any of the goddess Kali's more positive ideas. The demon Kali has two wives, Durukti and Alakshmi, who represent slender and discord. Durukti, he has two children, Bhayanaka, that is fear, and Mrityu, that is death. And they also produced more demons known as Narka, that is hell, and Yatana, that is torture. Differentiate him from goddess Kali. In modern times, the demon Kali is known as Kali Purusha, Kali, the being, while the goddess Kali is also known as Kalima, that is Mother Kali. Kali symbolizes everything that is unholy, the destruction of balance, the peace, and life itself. Kali is the ruler of most corrupt and violent of Hindu cycles, in which mankind undoes the gods, morality is replaced with open hostility and depravity. The cycle is known as Kali Yuga, named after its eternal nature and demon which oversees such evil. The Kali Yuga, also known as the Age of Darkness or Age of Vice, is marked by the deterioration of dharma and the rise of adharma. According to Hindu cosmology, it is the current age in which we live, and it is distinguished by the conflict, materialism, and spiritual ignorance. The arrival of Kali Yuga signifies a time when human virtues diminish, societal structures weaken, and spiritual practices decline. When life becomes intolerable for good people and mankind is entirely under the Kali's chaotic power, it is prophesied that Kalki shall be born and take arms against Kali and his minions, becoming the divine castier who shall punish and wicked men who thrive in Kali Yuga at the cost of others. He shall also do battle with Kali personally and slay the monster to free the universe from Kali's cruel rule and re-establish order. This allows the coming of Satyuga, a golden age where mankind is said to learn from the gods and prosper for many centuries before inevitably becoming slowly corrupt again, as is the nature of infinite cycle that makes up Hindu cosmology. So this was about Kali and Kali Yuga. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.